Karma Guy here. This 2013 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 passenger is a standout with only 104,000 miles and a clean Carfax. It's been well maintained with dealer service history and a recent service valued at over $325. This Sprinter is also dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, with options to add a 5-year maintenance plan or a lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Recent service includes a pre-delivery inspection, air filters, and a fresh oil change. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection for your peace of mind. We understand making a car purchase is a big decision. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status. You can still upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Choose quality with confidence.